This is a brand new model that just came out. So let's unbox this and I'll show you what comes with it. Quick guide. User manual. There's a display unit. Wiring harness. Installation hardware. Power adapter. Doorbell unit. Angle bracket. Here's a look at everything you get with this system. The doorbell 1 and 2 input are these two connectors right here. Now they've added cam 1 and cam 2. So if you want to connect 1 or 2 security cameras to the system, you can do that now. This cam 1 input, this cam 2 input. Next to it is the video audio output. This one's the LAN input, and this is the power connector. The new doorbell camera comes with this connector. So I'll connect these wires to the wires I have already. Connect the wiring harness to the doorbell camera. Now the only connection I have here is doorbell 1 and the power connector. To turn on the monitor to look at the live view, press the monitoring button right here. Here you're looking at the live view. On the side here, there's a setting switch. If you push it in, the menu will come up. First item is System. You can select languages. You can set the time. Information will show you the software version. Network will allow you to turn on the AP mode, restore the unit back to factory default, and restore the password. Password, here you can change a password. Now default password is all 8s. Next menu item, ring. Here you can select the ringtone. Ring volume. Here you can set the time when the ringer will sound. Ring volume right now is set to 8s. And you can also set how long the ringer will sound. Mode. Alarm. This is for security camera that has alarm function. Color. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation. Next, go to your Google Play Store and install the app UCare Home. With the app installed, if this is your first time using it, select New User to register. After you log in, select Connect New Device. For 7-inch monitor, choose New. Now you want to follow the directions here carefully. First thing you want to do is turn on the phone's Wi-Fi. Next, we'll turn on the AP mode on the monitor. Go into System. Go to Network. Enter AP mode. Yes. The monitor will reboot. Here you see the buttons on the right flashing. That tells you it's in AP mode. Now we'll press continue. Select the Wi-Fi in your home. Enter the Wi-Fi's password. Continue. Network configuration successful. Press continue. You can enter a device name. The password is 888888. Now the home monitor is added. We can delete the default one. And here we can see a live view of the front door camera. You can take a picture. You can record a video. Go into settings. You can adjust the volume of the speaker. You can adjust the microphone. You can go into full screen. You can press the speaker icon to listen. You can press the microphone icon to talk to the person.